How to fix error code 268 Roblox. So, yep, say for example, you have been experiencing this kind of problem. I'm going to show you a few fixes in order for us to get rid of it. Number one, it's going to be this one right here. I want you to go ahead and click this, and then I want you to go ahead and look for Roblox Player. So this is the application. I want you to right click it, and then I want you to click the properties. I'm going to click open file location, and then I'm going to right click it once again, and then we're going to click the properties. All right, now that we are seeing something like this, what we're going to do is head over to compatibility, and then we are going to check this one right here, run this program in compatibility mode, and then we're going to choose Windows 7. Now for the next one here, we have the settings. I want you to go ahead and make sure you toggle this one, run this program as an administrator. After doing so, I want you to go ahead and click apply. Now say for example that doesn't work, you have to go back here, and then you're going to click run compatibility troubleshooter. So essentially what this is going to do is that it is going to find errors from your Roblox and then try to give a solution. So yeah, in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and close this one. All right, and then this one right here, I'm going to click yes. So it is going to ask you what is the problem are you having with this app. I'm just gonna choose none of the above in here, and yeah, we're going to troubleshoot even more. So it says here, do you want us to apply recommended compatibility settings for you? I'm just going to say yes. And then here it is going to ask you if you have solved this problem. So from this point forward, I want you to go ahead and try to open your Roblox player once again. So this particular app, and see if you still have that problem. If you still have that problem, just go ahead and click the yes button in here, and basically it is going to diagnose and record this one. So did this solve your problem? So here I'm just going to click yes. All right, try your application again. So if this was able to solve, just go ahead and click yes. If no, just go ahead and click this one right here. All right, and then you have here more options as to what is the problem. So go ahead and choose which one. And then I'm going to go ahead and close this one. Click OK. Now, say for example, you have tried all of the steps that I showed you earlier, but it still doesn't work. Then what we are going to do is just reinstall the app. So I'm going to head over here and I'm going to type add or remove programs. Just this one right here, and then we're going to go ahead and look for our Roblox players. So I'm just going to sort them by name, and I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to R. So there you go, Roblox player. Just go ahead and uninstall this one and then reinstall it once again. So yep, hopefully that will be able to fix your problem. I hope this video helps you out.